Good morning, my bright and beautiful study hall. The day is also as bright as you all are. You must be wondering why Amna is sitting here in the lawn. Yes, you remember last week we started our pencil shading topic. So today, to take it forward, I have taken nature study as our subject for today. First, I thought of still life. You all are aware what still life is? The bottles, mugs, and things that we arrange and shade. But then I thought, as it is, the life is so still because of the lockdown. So let us move towards positivity, towards energy, towards brightness. Just see the lovely colors in my background. Yes, that is the reason why I thought that we'll take nature study as today's topic. Okay, children, before we begin, I would like you to have a look on the interesting leaves and flowers that we have around us. While I'm sipping my cup of tea, you people just have a look, because in our daily routine, we just tend to forget to admire this beauty that God has blessed us with. See the lovely colors? So the leaves are always not green, right? I'm showing you this because you have to learn how to pencil shade the leaves with the color pencils, I mean. So we have to get an idea and look around for nice, lovely leaves that we can take for our exercise. See, can you notice the nice browns also in the leaves? Right? So you can take this simple leaf also and then do the shading. Oh wow, see this one, so beautiful, and it gives us such a fresh feeling, right? Look at the shape, look at this one. So just go around in your house and look for a nice bright leaf that you can easily draw, and it has got fresh bright colors. It is going to help you a lot because you will enjoy your work then. See, I found another leaf, such nice shape and such different patterns. So just look around in your house and go for a very nice leaf you will enjoy. The work, I am very sure. See, you can take this also for your pencil flower shading, right? Nice ones. Okay, so now come on, get up and look for a very nice leaf and flower in your lawn. Okay, as you can see, for today's class I have made myself comfortable in the lawn only, and I have kept all my things, my color pencils, my pencils, book here, and I have picked up a leaf also for shading. So you also pick up a simple leaf to start with, and see the different shades that we have here. This is going to help us in doing the shading properly, right? Now let us start. Fine. So here I can see the dark green. So what I'll do, I have already drawn the leaf. Now I'll show you the shading. I'm going to make this part dark as compared to this one. Fine. So as I told you, we need to exert pressure on the pencil wherever we need dark. And just remember that the lines have to be small and smooth so that they mix easily into each other, right? Here I'm to loving this outdoor class, sitting out, enjoying the weather, the birds, the nature, the colors. I suggest you also sit in your lawn, your balconies, wherever you have your plants or pots, and then enjoy. Right? Now here when we move, see, we'll just put the pressure a little less so that it is light. Here we need dark, right? And when we come here to the yellow part, we make it more light. For color pencils, it is also a very nice leaf. So many shades you have. small strokes merging into each other. They should not look like lines, okay? They should merge. This, see, it is merging. This kind. Now as you can see, the yellow was the light color, so I have made the shading here a little light, right? And we use our finger this way to mix the lines, or you can use a small piece of paper and keep one paper here on the side so that the rest of the page doesn't get dirty. Okay, and children, remember, if you don't have different pencil shading pencils for the shading thing, so use normal pencil only, but apply the trick of putting the pressure wherever required. Okay, and the lines, they have to go into the direction of the drawing, like the leaf is going this way, so the lines will also be this kind only. Okay, don't make straight lines, you have to follow the direction of the drawing. And this is the way I was telling that you can smudge, right? So here we need dark, so we'll apply more pressure on the pencil and circular lines this side and smudge, right? See, the light part, you don't have to put too much of pencil there, you can just smudge it with the pencil and this shade will come. Then the lines that we have here, I'll just darken it a bit because we'll show shadow. If you see here, a little shadow is there, so you can put shadow. The light and shadow plays a very important role when we learn shading, right? So here, and make this a little dark, this part. Okay, a little shade here. Then these lines you can make later, you can add, fine, here. So practice at least 2-3 leaves, then only you will get to know that how you have to shade. Okay, here. This is the dark part, so I'm going to make it more dark. Small lines mixing into each other. The strokes should be very gentle and merge. Understood? Children, for your reference, see, I have made 2-3 different leaves here so that you can just see the shading, the shadow. This is another kind of leaf, though you have to just follow the light and shade the lines properly. Okay, and some leaves I have done with the color pencil. Purple shades I have taken, green I have taken, so you can just shade the leaves this way with the color pencils. And in the end of the video, I'll share the screenshots also of the reference pictures so that it is easy for you to do your work. Okay, I showed you how to shade a leaf with the pencil and the color pencils also. I showed you some pictures. Now it is time to learn how to shade a flower. If you can see, one flower with the pencil shading I have already done for you. Here you can see the different shades, the dark lines towards the light ones, right? This way you have to do the stem. So a simple flower you can take and then you can do. I am going to tell you how to do a color pencil shading that is going to help you for your leaves as well, right? I would suggest that you take a tulip flower only for starting, because it's a easy one to draw also and you will be able to do it properly. So now see, I have already made this tulip over here and I'm going to show you how to do it with the color pencils. So the bottom is the dark and when we go up it becomes light. So I have picked up different shades that I have and I'll start, right? Again, small strokes, turning into the direction of the flower only. Here. Exerting more pressure Oh, I can hear the vendors also. I hope they are not disturbing. Okay, so I take the dark. Now I pick up another color. I'll pick and I'll do the shade. See here, because I said it will go from dark to light, so this part I'm making light, and the strokes will go here in this direction. The dark color I'll pick and I'll mix them here, right? This part of the flower is behind, so we'll put this a little dark in shade, okay, as compared to the rest of the flower, and here the lines will go straight. As you can see, I have added light color here, the direction keep noticing, okay, and here I make this part a little dark because it is behind the other petals, right? Here, okay. Now the front, this part again, you will start from the dark color here in this direction, lines mixing. Here I am doing the light color because this petal is on top of this, right? Just imagine that the dark part is here and this we are making the light, and I'll try and mix both the shades. Okay, then I'll pick the dark red, and this line is on the top, so it will be a little dark. Okay, just keep on mixing the lines properly, children, and in the direction nicely. Here, right? Now for the lower part, I'll pick some shades of green. I have picked up all the greens that I had, okay, and I'll start with the dark green from here. Now the direction will go this way of the lines. The lower part, this just behind, just under the flower, we make it dark, okay, and you can keep mixing the shades, okay. Add a little yellow or light green for the light part. Keep it mixing and merging with the different green. Fine. I have taken yellow also for the leaves to give it a light shade, okay. Now this yellow I'm going to merge with the light green. Fine. So you just have to play with the colors, make it bright, and use as many shades you have. So give it a nice look by adding different greens and other colors, okay. Here, this I'm making it dark, and upwards I have made this light color to make it more dark. I'm putting a little more pressure here. Fine. So this is the way you have to use the color pencils for the shading, right? Here, just keep on adding the tones, different ones, and make it look pretty, okay. Here I'm exerting more pressure. You can give it a little light, this black thing also, to give it a depth. Okay, here, right? So I hope you have understood how to shade with the color pencils and the normal pencil that we have. So children, try and practice as much as you can, so it will benefit you. Okay, practice makes you good. Fine. Okay, children, so I hope that you enjoyed the outdoor class of yours today. I thoroughly enjoyed. Such nice weather, chirping of the birds in the background, and such nice, lovely green. See, all around, even I have dressed in green. So today, I hope you all learned the thing that I told you, the color pencil shading, the normal pencil shading, the light and shadow that we have to keep in mind, and the different colors that you can use in your leaves and flowers, right? So I expect that by next week, when I come back again to meet you all, you will practice a lot, a lot, a lot. That is only going to help. And as you know, practice makes you perfect. And you all are such hardworking children, I know. You will actually do a lot of work. I'm very, very sure. Till then, be positive and spread energy like the flowers, the nature does. Okay? See you. Bye.